So here we have the Ford Focus Estate Automatic on a 15 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, we have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge, and then above that, the main trip computer, which includes the total miles for the car. They are 38,827. You can change the information displayed above that by pressing buttons on the steering wheel for various bits of trip computer or fuel economy information. You can have all 4 of these pieces displayed simultaneously, for example, or a digital readout for the speedometer. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, we have buttons to change the information up there, and then cruise control and speed limiter. And on the right-hand side, stereo and phone controls. You'll only be able to use the phone controls after you paired up the phone to the car, which is done over on the touchscreen in the center hit connector phone. And then you would add device from here, and follow the instructions on screen when they come up. Obviously you need to make sure
search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
There you go. Just follow those instructions. Obviously you need to make sure Bluetooth is turned on your phone as well. When it comes to audio, we have got AM, FM and DAB radio, CD player, USB input, Bluetooth audio so you can stream your music wirelessly, SD memory card input and auxiliary input. So loads of ways to listen to your music in this car. Working our way down, we then have the CD player and the main volume for the stereo, and then dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger and driver temperatures. You can increase and decrease the fan speed from here. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in, and then hit that button to turn the air conditioning on or off, or hit auto and the car will maintain those temperatures for you. You can override that whenever you wish to. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, a 12-volt charging socket and USB input as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you soon.